Things to remember. The fundamental theorem of algebra. Remember that if p of x is a polynomial of degree n, with n greater than or equal to 1, then p of x equals 0 has exactly n roots, including multiple and complex roots. According to the fundamental theorem of algebra, x to the fourth power minus 1 equals 0 has 4 roots, only 2 of which are real. In this chapter, the focus is on real roots only. Problem 2. Finding roots. What is each real number root? Part A. The cube root of negative 8. Well, negative 2 to the third power equals negative 8. So the cube root of negative 8 is negative 2. B. The square root of 4/100ths, or 0.04. Well, since 0.2, or 2/10ths, squared equals 0.04, or 4/100ths, we can say the square root of 0.04 equals 0.2. It's worth noting, negative 0.2 squared equals 0.04 also, but the square root of 0.04 represents the positive square root, otherwise known as the principal square root. Part C. The fourth root of negative 1. There is no real root because there is no real number whose fourth power is negative 1, or any negative for that matter. Part D. The square root of negative 2 squared. Well, the square root of negative 2 squared is the same as the square root of 4, and the principal square root of 4 is 2. Your turn, Part A. What is the real number root of the cube root of negative 27? Part B. What is the real number root of the fourth root of negative 81? Part C. What is the real number root of the square root of negative 7 squared? And Part D. What is the real number root of the square root of negative 49?